So can you smell the popcorn?
Yes.
Huh?
It's popping.
I can see that.
Look, it's popping.
Question. Can you hear it? But you gotta be nice and quiet. Because it's a loud machine.
Yes, and I can smell.
Can you see it?
Yes. Yes. Look, it's popping out.
Is it popping?
Yes.
Is it coming out?
Yes.
But what was the first thing it did?
It popped out.
It popped out, but what did it start doing first?
Spinning around.
And then after,
Spin around.
and then after it spins around, what happened? Did you?
It popped.
It started doing what?
Popping.
And then after it started popping, what came out of the popcorn machine? Popcorn. So I'm gonna show you what happens first.
Inside the kernel. Popcorn are inside the kernel.
So that's a good observation, Caleb. So hush. Let me ask you a question. Is the popcorn is it popcorn or is it corn kernels right now?
Popcorn right now.
Corn. So what is it now? Popcorn. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be creating a sorting turkey. The turkey, each piece of the turkey, there's going to be cereals of different colors. So
I'm picking up big on
the first turkey, that's his goggle. So goggle is red. So they're going to sort throughout the cereals and the popcorn and put by colors. And then this is the closing of our sorting unit. So the first color I want you to look for
It's red.
is red. You already knew it, red. So hold on. Pour it in your plate. Look for your red stars.
Red stars. And red circles.
That's red stars.
And she's gonna need the plate.
I got my red
She's gonna need to sort the colors of the Fruit Loops that she in that container. So the first color I want them to pull is red. Did you have a mouth trying to hold it? Put it in your cup.
Because I'm done doing the red something.
Because if you walk around, you're gonna see. Every child sorts out things in a different manner, but that's their learning process. Is how they sort them out is how they learn. Whereas this little girl right here, she's sorting it out, but if you notice, all of the cereals are on the plate, but she's moving all the red to one side. Let's go over to this little girl right here. She sorted out her red, but she poured all of her cereals out and she put them all inside the cup so that she has all of her red. Each child learns in a different way, and that's what's so unique about the activity is that, see, and she's another one. So when they finish, they've learned it. It's not Miss Wallace had to go around and say, do it this way, do it that way. It makes a thinking process. And that's what I'm trying to get them to do is be thinkers, not robots. And Malik is totally doing it differently because he has all his cereals inside his cup, but he's only pulling out what he needs. And when he realizes what he does not need, he pushes it to the side. So each child thinks at a totally different way. And that's the coolest thing about teaching this age group. This is your turkey. Whatever you want your next leaf to be on the turkey, you pick it out. It's yours. It's yours.
We can do whatever we want.
You can do whatever you want. The only color I needed you to do was the red.
You need your red stars.
We can't give
red
up.
stars.
Don't give up.
It's why this is fun.
Wow, I'm glad you're enjoying this.
Cereal fell.
Oh, well, here can I have that cereal that fell?
This is the red
You got the red stars out?
Yes, you may.
That's orange Matsu. No,
Where's it going?
I got it.
Let me see, Harper, because I'm pretty sure you're faster than everybody else. Hold it up, Mommy. Good job. Now Harper, you can pick your next color. They know what we're doing in the classroom. They're gonna mimic it at home because the mom is sitting there and the dad is sitting. Trinity's dad, can you pan the camera down for me? And see, he's actually, that's a tray that we provided for the kids as well, is they're sitting down at the camera with them. So even though they're at home, they're still getting the same, whatever I'm doing in the classroom, they're doing it at home. So it makes homeschool learning or virtual learning very easy. I mean, you start helping them, and then all of a sudden you push back a little bit, and they'll blow your mind. Because you see their thought process, you see how their brain is moving, you see how they're thinking it out. It's just amazing when you just let them the opportunity to explore learning instead of just pushing it down their throat. A, B, B. No, you don't need to do all that. Because all of that stuff, it comes naturally. And then you just watch. Let God do it. Okay, now go. Get started. Come on, Arby, get started. It doesn't matter. This is Corey's work. This is not Miss Wallace's work. And that's the thing. At this age, it should never be the teacher's work. It should always be the child's work. Because if the child doesn't do it themselves, they don't take pride in it. And they miss the learning that they need out of it. So that's what I love about doing this age group. Because you see that how their brain works. How they process things. Okay, now.
Now it just pops up.
Exactly. Okay. No, Miss Wallace is not gonna hold it for you. You gotta work it out yourself.
I'm not doing it.
Come on, get started, because Corey's already ready.
Good job.
Oh, Ray said, good job, Harper.
Good job. Amazing.
Amazing. Now,
Good job.
did you separate it or did you sort them? Thank you very much. See how she sorted hers up? So she started with the red on this side, and it's got orange. Then she goes to yellow, and then I'm gonna flip it around so you can see it on that side. There's green. She sorted hers out. It was just did in a different pattern. But no matter what, the object of it was to sort and put them in the container. So because she was able to still sort it and still catch the concept, she still got the concept. That they learn in their own way, and you have to meet them at their level. And you can't, what works for one child, it may not work for the next child. When I was thinking about this, I wanted them to do each finger. But Aubrey didn't see it that way. She saw it, I want to sort this way. Same idea, master. Oh my God, Harper, that is amazing!
I killed a perfect child. Good job, Harper.
Can you say, guys say, good job, Trinity! Good job. Oh, you did a good job. A good job. One more time, you did a good job. A good job. You did a good job. A good job. Last time, did a good job. A good job. A good job. A good job.